Welcome to Fabby John's The Joy of Decorating. To decorate your home like a pro, first create a mood board that captures the essence of your interior design aesthetic. 2. Decide on a focal area you wish to draw attention to. Select an aesthetically pleasing feature such as a window, framed art, or a fireplace. Arrange your furniture and accent pieces around your focal point. The best effects come from placing decor and accent pieces on the focal point, angling the light to accentuate it, and having furniture facing it. 3. Make a space intentional rather than just filling it. Create a visually appealing space. Play around with heights, configurations, and arrangements. Odd numbers draw the eye and give compositions a more dynamic appearance by nature. Invest in items of furniture and accessories that will last, avoiding buying fads that won't be fashionable in a few years. Choose well tried and true items. Invest money on the essential items that will serve as the room's framework. In the end, you'll save money. Add textures with your textiles. Throw blankets and pillows are a simple and versatile way to add texture and can be changed with the seasons. Bring in nature with plants and flowers. Lighting. A poorly lit space might feel gloomy and uninviting, while a well-lit space can feel more open, inviting, and welcoming. Introduce an unexpected texture or paneled wall or accessory item into your room to make a statement. Bring in nature with plants and flowers. And let the light in. Add a statement piece of art or statement wall. And lastly, enjoy your home with those you love. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.